Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is DIY facial cleanser in toner. This cleared my acne from this to that. So let's get started. What I'll be needing for this mixture are witch hazel. Witch hazels are good in everything, from reducing acne and oily skin to soothing puffy eyes and sunburn. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera helps to moisturize the skin, reduce acne, and fight anti-aging. Very good on the skin. Apple cider. This is the best organic acids. These have been shown to be very effective. Apple cider helps to reduce acne breakout. Rose water. Rose water helps to maintain skin pH balance and also control excess oil on the skin. Tree tea oil is a very popular choice of treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory properties. And my empty container to pour in my cleanser. Now I start by getting my mixing cup cleaned with alcohol to prevent any bacteria. Then I pour in 75 ml cup of witch hazel. Next is 1 teaspoon of rose water. Next I'll be adding my apple cider. Make sure you shake it very well, and the apple cider must be the one with mother. I will leave the link in the description below. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of it. Next is aloe vera juice. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of it. And lastly, my tree tea oil. I will drop 5 drops of it. And then you stir very well. And now get the container to pour in my cleanser. This cleanser has a lot of benefit that will help your acne problem. Clears out the acne scars in days with a regular use. Use this at night after a warm shower. This leaves your skin feeling smooth and fresh. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share my video. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.